Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of your profile has been suspended on the application of Threads. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Threads and you will enter. Here you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then we click on clear cache. Then in this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.